to the Grand Canyon today, so this is where we got to meet our tour guide. I can't wait. We're getting complimentary breakfast before we head out, so that's nice. Got to fuel up and be ready to go. And then also on the Grand Canyon tour, we're also stopping at the Hoover Dam as well, so that'll be fun. Yeah. You want the window? Oh, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Trip to the Grand Canyon was the Hoover Dam. This was such a cool thing to see. However, we literally only had about 15 to 20 minutes to go up the stairs and across the bridge. I only got to stay for about 15 minutes and then I had to head back. But it's so beautiful and it's such a feat of engineering. After driving about 3 hours to the Grand Canyon on the West Rim entrance, I believe, the first activity of the day was the Skywalk at Eagle Point. Unfortunately, I couldn't film on there. You weren't allowed to take any camera equipment, phones, watches, keys, coins, money, like anything. All you had to take was your body, your shoes, and they gave you special coverings for your shoes so that way you wouldn't get the glass dirty. And unfortunately, I didn't manage to get a picture of us on the Skywalk as well, but that's okay. I have some clips of the exit and just proof that I was there. But I'm very proud of you, buddy. Very proud of you. It goes to show.
I knew that it was going to be great, you know, and something that you don't want to miss, but
absolutely. It just goes to show that you can't always let your fears get the best of you. Just try it as long as it's safe to do so, and then that's that. Of being this short, I don't have to duck. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so much cooler in here.
if they called it a so much.
Yeah. anyways, what are we gonna do for dinner? What are we gonna do for dinner?
I'd be interested in Hard Rock Cafe if you're interested. If not, we could totally do whatever.
Hard Rock Cafe. Which way is that again?
I think it's left.
Left. All right, we're going left.
Bellagio.
Yes, Bellagio.
That just finished the water show.
Yes, it's so beautiful, and that water show was pretty cool.
It was.
What's that? What is that about?
Okay. So, yielding to pedestrians is not a thing. Cool. That's the thing with Vegas. It's like, it would be so much easier to just like walk across the street, but there's always like escalators and stairs leading up, and you have to go either across the street or like through a casino and hotel.
Go down an escalator.
Up and down, up and down. That's what it is. And like over 100-degree heat every time you walk anywhere. It's ridiculous. What is that again?
It's a rhythm and rosé mule knockoff of a Moscow.
Nice. This is my passion fruit Mai Tai.
Nice. Looking yummy.
Yes. I think definitely after the day that we had, we deserve these. Especially before our flight, cause
We worked for it.
we worked very hard for it. Really tired after that trip. It was a lot of fun, but oh boy, I'm tired. I'm feeling it today. So essentially what you just saw was our last day in Vegas. We had a day tour to the Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon, which isn't that far away from Arizona, which is where the Grand Canyon is located in, and the Hoover Dam is kind of like the border between Nevada and Arizona. So essentially we had to wake up at like 5 in the morning to leave, you know, put our things with like the bellhop people so that way we can actually like, you know, take our day bags and roam around and whatnot. Had to meet up with the tour group at like 6:35 in the morning. Although it was really good because we had breakfast and lunch and they kept giving us cold water, so it was very, very good. So essentially after that whole day trip, we went back to the strip for a little bit, walked around, got dinner at the Hard Rock Cafe, just went back to the resort, got our bags, and went to the airport. Yeah, essentially. That's it. I haven't even unpacked yet. I just got home and showered. I feel nice and clean, but I will unpack now, and that will be the end of this vlog. So I really hope you like this vlog series. There was a lot that we did in the short amount of time that we were in Vegas. Please give this video a like, click the bell to receive notifications, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a comment down below. Are you the type of person that likes to unpack the minute you get home, or do you leave it for like a week or two before unpacking? I like unpacking everything as soon as I get home. So let me know what you guys are, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!